The impact of plastic cups versus paper cups in our daily lives. Plastic products take hundreds of years to decompose and often end up in landfills or oceans where they harm wildlife and pollute the water. We are presenting SPB 900 automatic paper cup machine. Shaft and gear machine, full auto lubrication, very stable machine, minimum operational wastages, very easy to work on this machine. The Indian paper cup market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2022 to 2028. The growing awareness about the environmental impact of single-use plastics is driving the demand for paper cups. The top 5 states in India in terms of paper cup manufacturing are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu. The average price of a paper cup in India is around 30 paisa. The paper cup machine manufacturing industry in India is expected to grow significantly in the coming 10 years. This growth will be driven by a number of factors, including the increasing popularity of on-the-go beverages, the growing awareness about the environmental impact of single-use plastics, the government's policies on single-use plastics. Are you looking for a high-quality, efficient, and affordable paper cup machine? Then look no further than SPB Machinery. We have a wide range of machines to meet your needs. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.